it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lasagna. A lot of people have actually suggested me to do this video before, so here I am. This recipe turns out so creamy with a blend of different flavors. In this recipe, we're going to use lasagna sheets, cooked vegetables, white sauce, pizza sauce and cheese, and you just layer them up. And bake it. Let's get started. So we're going to start off by dicing the potatoes. So you don't want them too big, not too small. Add some olive oil onto the pan. So we're going to prepare the vegetables now. Straight after it, add some ginger and garlic. Wait for it to sizzle. Once the garlic and ginger are brown, add in the potatoes. Once the potatoes are halfway cooked, add in your chopped carrot, beans. I'm using frozen beans, but you can use fresh beans, and some corn and beef. Add in salt as your taste. Season it with oregano, basil, parsley, some chili flakes, and pepper. While the vegetables are cooking, boil some water in another pot and add in your lasagna sheets. And let it cook for a while. Once the pan is heated, add a stick of butter. Add chopped garlic, once the garlic is goldenish brown, add in a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. You have to mix constantly to avoid lumps. Pour 1 cup of cold milk into your mixture and keep stirring it. Sprinkle in some salt as per your taste into the white sauce and add in oregano. So once it's done, turn off the heat and let it rest. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees at fan bake. Start by doing the layers. So we're going to put the pizza sauce first. You can find the pizza sauce in any supermarket, or you can make it at home. And then the white sauce on top of it. And just spread it around. Now stack up the lasagna sheets. And now put the cooked vegetables. some cheddar cheese. Once you've finished layering it, pop it into your preheated oven. Hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video. See you!